Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem codes on Call of Duty Mobile. To redeem a code in Call of Duty Mobile, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up Call of Duty application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. From the left hand side menu, select Basic. You will then be able to see your UID displayed on the screen right next to your profile picture. Simply tap on the copy button right next to your UID and then go ahead and minimize your game. Now open up Safari or any other web browser on your mobile device and then type in callofduty.com/redemption. Soon after you do that, you will end up in the Redemption Center. Enter your UID in the UID text field. Simply paste in the UID that you previously copied from your game. On the next field where it says Redeem Code, enter your redemption code. Enter the 12-character redemption code and complete the verification CAPTCHA on the next field. Once you are done with it, simply tap on the Submit button. In order to claim your reward, go ahead and open your Call of Duty mobile app and check your in-game mail by tapping on the mail icon at the top right corner from your application. If you have successfully redeemed your code, you will be able to receive an email so that you can claim your reward. So that is how you can easily redeem codes on Call of Duty Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.